We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the verb to drive, as in to drive a bus. The past tense or past simple is pronounced as drove. Drove, as in the driver drove the bus yesterday. The past participle is pronounced as driven. Driven, a short E sound, driven, as in the bus was driven by my uncle. Overall, drive, drove, driven, drive, drove, driven. Here is a video for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs to improve your English watching it and listening. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Subscribe. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support and thanks for watching.